yeah, I kind of look like a bloody mess, but what's new? And I'm also wearing Christmas socks. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm very excited about today's video because today I'm going to be recreating some Addison Rae looks. Now this is going to be super exciting, and the reason why I'm so excited is because I always get so many comments from you guys here on my YouTube channel and also over on my TikTok saying that you guys think that we kind of look alike, that I kind of look like Addison. So I don't know, I just thought this could be kind of a fun idea. And also something very exciting as well is that today's video is actually in partnership with Glam Touche. Now if you guys saw my last video in collaboration with them, you know that I recreated some celebrity looks and it was so much fun. You guys really enjoyed that video and I loved filming it as well. So today I am actually going to be styling another one of their like hair pieces, and today I'm going to be wearing like the wrap around wavy ponytail, which looks like this. I will show you guys like a little close-up so you guys can see what it actually looks like. But yeah, it's going to be super fun, and I'm super excited because I haven't had like hair this long for quite a while, so it's definitely going to be super fun to have extremely long hair again just for a couple of minutes, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah guys, before we get started, if you are new and you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below and join the little family. I would love to have you guys around. And also I do have a discount code for you guys, so if you guys use the discount code that I will put here on the screen right now, you are going to have a little discount on their website. If you're shopping from Glam Touche, don't forget to use my discount and you'll get a little bit of dollar off, which is always a great thing. I love myself a good discount, so I'm pretty sure you guys will appreciate that as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's just move along and get started with the first looks. So the first look is a look where I'm actually going to be wearing the wavy wraparound ponytail. So I will pop up a little picture of Addison's like picture, the one that I got inspired by, here on the screen so you guys can see. For the hair, I'm going to show you guys right now how I'm gonna like put it on and style it and all that jazz. It's going to be super quick and easy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously put my hair in a little low ponytail. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure you all know how to do a low ponytail. But yeah, I'm just gonna like put my hair in a little low ponytail, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to obviously add my ponytail wraparound extensions. So I'm gonna use these little clips over here and I'm just gonna clip them onto my hair, and then literally super quick and easy, I'm gonna wrap it around and then use these little extra piece to wrap it around the ponytail so you don't see like your elastic or anything like that, and it looks like super seamless, you know, like the transitional and all of that. And then I'm just gonna secure it with some bobby pins just to make sure it doesn't come off or anything like that. I just think it's like super fun. You can like add some length in my case, but also if you just want to like, if you have long hair and you want to like add some volume or something like that for like a special occasion, or if you just like feeling like, I don't know, dressing up or something, this is definitely like an amazing piece to add to your hair, like to your look or whatever you're doing. And now for this first outfit, I believe the outfit that Addison is wearing in this photo is actually like her merch, and I actually like, I don't have her merch over here, but I'm already wearing like my little white sweatpants, which are super comfy by the way. And now I'm a little torn in between like two sweaters because obviously she's wearing like a matching tracksuit and I don't have like a sweater that is the exact same like shade as my like sweatpants, so I'm kind of torn in between the two. So I'm actually wearing like the matching tracksuit sweater for these joggers, but it's actually black and not white. But then I also have like this one over here, which is a little bit different. It's like a sweater, but it's not like a sweatshirt or anything, and it's a little bit more like dressed up, kind of a dressed up look rather than like a really casual loungewear look, I would say. And it's more of like a cream instead of a white. So I don't know, I might like try both of them on and show you guys like the two options.
I don't wanna go home, even if I'm always on my phone. All these people I don't even know, but I got nowhere to go. And you know I'm always fucking broke, it's better than being alone. I don't wanna go nights alone, since you don't want me. You said maybe I'm not cool like you.
So yes guys, that was the first look. Let me know if you guys think I did a great job recreating the look or not. Let me know if you guys think that Addison and I look alike or if we don't look alike whatsoever. Let me know in the comments down below. Once again, thank you so much Glam Touche IG for partnering up with me on this video. Okay guys, so the next look that I'm going to be recreating, I'm just like looking at the picture here on my phone, but I will pop it up on the screen so you guys can see it. It's a little bit more dressed up, not really, but it's like kind of casual, but a little bit more dressed up than like a tracksuit. And she was actually still blonde here, so we might look a little bit more alike, or maybe not. I don't know, you guys tell me. But yeah, she's basically just wearing like some jeans and like a little button-up white shirt, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. Now let's see my recreation of this look. Let's go.
Not cool like you thought. Roll out of bed, call a friend. He said, are you okay? It's been like a month. I don't wanna go out to the west side. I gotta forget about the best nights. Talking to a bunch of girls I don't like, but I try to pick them up with my best lines. She moved to LA to be famous, only showing up if there's a wait list. All these people talking.
I feel like this one might be a disaster. Okay guys, so next up we're going to move on to the third look, and this one is just like super cute. Once again, super casual. She looks actually adorable. By her Instagram, I think she was in New York or something like that. Unfortunately, I am not in New York right now. Anyway, we're going to pretend that I am. But yeah, she's basically just wearing like some leggings, like a really oversized bomber jacket, then like some combat boots, and a little like white like crop top. This is honestly something that everybody can wear, especially like during these weird times and everything going on. Even when we're going outside, like we don't really want to like get ready every single day and like put an extremely glamorous outfit just to go to the supermarket. I do that sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, but not every single time. Welcome to New York.
I don't even know, but I got nowhere to go. And you know I'm always fucking broke. It's better than being alone. I don't wanna go home. Oh, oh. I don't wanna go home. Oh, oh. I don't wanna.
And now guys, we are going to move on to the fourth and actually final look. This one is also super adorable. She was actually at the beach, which as you guys can see, I am not at the beach right now. But yeah, anyway, so she's wearing just like a pair of jeans. I think these are like mom jeans or something like that. She's wearing a little like black crop top, and then she's actually wearing like a really cute like lavender lilac little cardigan. And I actually don't own, like I own quite a lot of cardigans because I've been obsessed with them lately, but not one in lilac, which is actually quite weird because I've actually been a little bit obsessed with lilac during these past few months, like during summer and now moving on to autumn and winter. I'm still obsessed with the color, and I actually don't own a cardigan that color, which is a little bit weird. Anyway, we're gonna roll with that. I'm going to be wearing a cardigan, just not like in the same color. And now let's see my recreation. Hello everyone, as you guys can see, we are here in Santa Monica at the beach, and we are going to take some photos.
It was never about your friends who didn't like me, or the drunk nights we spent fighting. Swear your whispers cut like lightning. I don't wanna go out to the west side. You're the reason I'm still out at this time, trying to forget about the best nights. So I'm talking to a bunch of girls I don't like. She moved to LA to be famous, said she's saving up to get a facelift. Says she won't be happy till she makes it.
And yes guys, these were the 4 looks that I had to show you today, or the 4 looks that I recreated today. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite. Let me know if you guys think I recreated Addison's looks. Let me know if you guys think I did a good job recreating Addison's looks or not. I feel like I did a pretty good job, but you guys will let me know in the comment section. And also, let me know if you guys think we look alike or not. Once again, if you are new and you are not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below and join the little family. I would love to have you guys around. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. I can also film some more videos like this if you guys want to. I'm gonna love you and leave you now. If you want to follow me on my TikTok and on my Instagram. I will leave my handles over here on the screen like I always do. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing, wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.